Our primary mission at Cyclone ADG is to decrease the day-to-day risk to first responders as they enter harm's way. Cyclone 6 enables first responders to project their eyes into the sky to gain unobstructed aerial views, helping protect those who enter harm's way, reducing injuries and saving lives. It enables all users to increase their productivity. This grant will enable Cyclone ADG to accelerate our job creation in Arizona. Unmanned aircraft systems is the fastest growing segment of today's aerospace and defense industry. The commercial and civil UAS market is forecast to grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 40%. Cyclone will be a primary competitor in this market area. Cyclone 6 uses 6 electric motors to provide enough power to enable it to operate quietly and virtually undetected for up to 40 minutes. Its patent-pending foldable design allows the user to carry it over the shoulder in its protective tube. It can be removed from its case, unfolded, and launched in less than a minute. It is controlled from the user's existing personal computer or tablet. Today's military unmanned aircraft systems are large, complex, very capable, and very expensive. The larger systems range from the Army's Shadow to the Air Force's Global Hawk. Smaller military units include the Marine Corps' Puma, the Navy's Silver Fox, and the Army's Raven. Small commercial units are being developed as derivatives of these small military systems. Many of these systems require a launcher, recovery system, special ground control system, and special transportation. Our Cyclone 6 requires none of these, greatly reducing the user's total cost of ownership. The model aircraft business has been flourishing for decades. Technologies developed over the years to make model aircraft and military UAVs components smaller, lighter, and cheaper have created a huge market opportunity. The merging of the low-end military systems and the high-end hobbyist aircraft markets has created the rapidly emerging civil and commercial market, which again is growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 40%. Flight rules and regulations are being developed by the FAA to protect public safety and privacy. These small unmanned aircraft systems must be kept at safe distance from private and commercial aircraft and not allowed to fly over populated areas. The FAA recently established 6 research and test sites around the country to develop standards and rules for safe operation, system airworthiness, and operator training. We have begun work with each of these teams. The number of uses for small unmanned aircraft systems grows every day, from protecting first responders to precision agriculture and cattle management, video production, and sensing chemical, biological, and nuclear hazards. We are focusing on first responders for our initial commercial product offering, since they can request special operational certificates. The next few slides show how Cyclone 6 supported recent fire department hazmat drills here in Tucson. We acted as the hazmat team's small UAS operational squad. Once the hazmat unit arrived, the hazmat team leader requested various aerial views of the site. Using online Google Earth maps, the requested in-flight views were programmed into Cyclone's mission planner. This aerial view of the site shows the location of the 2 hazardous spills, the red arrows. A close-up view from Cyclone 6 shows the barrel spill. The team lead is seen here briefing his squad using the photos we provided. The crew entered the site with the knowledge of the 2 spills, ingress and egress routes, and a plan of action. The hazmat commander was able to view the Cyclone videos from the commander's TV monitor. The monitor was linked directly to Cyclone 6. Before one of the flights, we were able to train one of the group's supervisors on how to program Cyclone's mission plan. He then executed the autonomous mission with the push of a button. The small unmanned aircraft systems market is growing rapidly. Cyclone ADG is well positioned to capture a significant percentage of this evolving market. This grant will accelerate our ability to commercialize Cyclone 6 and rapidly enter the market.